it's Ipsy unboxing time. I look really rough right now, but deal with it. So here we are. Okay. Oh my god, cutie. Pink is blue, and then this area is green. Look at the little cute. There's something else in here that we're just rolling around. This is from Eva NYC. It is the Stay Hydrated Leave-In Conditioner. Let's open this up. So first, I'm gonna see if we can find the paper. Here it is. September 2025. More is more. It's the theme. Okay. First item. Ooh, Sophia and Mabel. Too Pretty Cream and Satin Blush Duos. The Strawberry Sorbet. There we are. And it looks like the top one's cream and the bottom one is powder. Eye Repair Peptide Complex from Blink. This is to help improve firmness, dark circles, and skin tone, plus moisturize and hydration. Moon Slice Lip Oil, Raspberry Lip Oil, Raspberry Kiss Lip Oil. This packaging is so freaking cute. There's little stars all over it. You're kidding. Look how cute this is. This is absolutely adorable. Hello. Yeah. We'll be keeping this. We're going for it. It smells good. Last item. This is from Kors. It is the Black Pine Bounce Firming Moisturizer. Supposed to lift and replenish your skin. You apply to your face and neck, avoiding the eye areas. Yeah, that was the Ipsy bag for September 2025. If you're interested in getting this, there's a link in my bio that will take you to my Shop My account. And if you look for my Ipsy on the Shop My account, it will automatically give you the link to give you a discount on getting your Ipsy box. I got all of this for $14.99, and I've decided that for now on, I'm going to start putting the prices of the items on screen. So this is the total that I would have paid if I bought these all individually for this month. And if you're looking to try new makeup and get into some makeup and you don't have a lot of money, the smallest box, which was this, I believe is $14.99 a month. There's multiple options. Plus, so many different people have discount codes that you can use to help you get a little bit off too. And you're able to customize it. Plus, depending on what you get, you get to pick a certain amount of items. I love Ipsy. I literally have been involved in Ipsy in some type of way for most of my makeup journey because my mom used to get it all the time. And then if it was something she didn't want, me and my sister got to sit there and pick through it. So now it's like fun that I get Ipsy and I let my mother and sister pick through my stuff now. But yeah, I've always had Ipsy in some way or another. So if you're interested in that, I highly suggest Ipsy. It is so fun. It is so cool. Even if you get it for like 6 months, you already get so many fun items for such a good deal too. But yeah, thank you Ipsy. I love you. Thank you all for watching. Bye.